How to turn off activity status on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. How to turn off activity status on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the three lines at the top right of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And from the account section, click on privacy. And here, under the discoverability section, you'll see the activity status option with a toggle next to it that's turned on. So click on that toggle to turn it off. And by doing that, you will disable the activity status. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the TikTok activity status. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.